Alright, so I'm at this local park called Zuck Park in Erie, Pennsylvania, and they got hazard tape on the swing sets and all the kids, like little playpens and stuff over here. This is pretty crazy. I've never seen this before. Over here on this slide, more caution tape. I'm assuming obviously they're trying to keep people off of it. There's a picnic area too over here that's got caution tape all wrapped around it so people don't picnic. There's a sign up over here. I want to see what it says. Closed by order of the Erie County Health Department. Please report concerns to 814-451-6700. So this is crazy, super crazy. I just wanted to share that, everyone. Have a good day.